Go then.
Go big or go home.
Let's go.
That's
We got
cool,
30
right?
seconds. We gotta go. We gotta do it.
Alright. Let's go.
Come on.
Counting down.
Alright.
Got 12 minutes of my food. Alright, don't die. Don't
This
die.
is the clear, guys. This is the clear. Focus. Do not die. If we die, we'll just back out and reset. Alright. Get ready for the AoE. AoE is going out. Prize is up. Alright, get ready for 2 red marker swords. Two red marker swords are going out. Focus. Don't die to this. Alright, get ready for Tank Buster shortly after. Nicely done. Tank Buster's going out. Invoked. Alright, get ready for 2 red marker swords once again. Followed by the blue cone AoE behind the boss. 2 red marker swords. Blue cone AoE. 2 red marker swords are going out. Blue cone's going out. Get to the safe sides. Alright. Get ready for the 3 curved lines. 3 curved lines. And that turn. 3 curved lines that turn. Here we go. And then after these 3 curved lines that turn, get ready for 2 red marker AoEs. 2 red marker AoEs. 2 red marker AoEs. Just spread out a little bit, guys. Don't clip each other. Get ready for Tank Buster on tie. Alright, Tank Buster's going up.
Booked.
Alright, sure. Alright, get ready for yellow lines and blue star lines. Dodge 3 sets of yellow lines and dodge 2 blue star line sets. Here we go. Get ready to stack for the line attack soon. Alright, stack for the line attack. He's dead, but just stack, just stack. There we go.
Okay.
Alright, get ready for the AoE. Prize was up. Alright, get ready for the squiggly line and 2 red marker swords. Squiggly line and 2 red marker swords. You guys got this. Focus.
Public tactician just.
Keep rotating. Don't die. We need everyone up for ad phase. Alright, ad phase is gonna be happening. Get ready for tank busters on both tanks. Tank busters are going out. Another set of tank busters soon.
Over.
Tank busters going out. Make sure to mitigate the raid wide. We do have some people that have deaths. Alright, when we get back, get ready for the AoE bombs plus the AoE. Alright, AoE bombs are gonna spawn, and then we're gonna move away from them for the AoE. Alright, AoE bombs are up.
80.
Yep, AoE's going out. Prize was up. Big mitigation. Alright, after this, get ready for the 3 curved lines that turn. 3 curved lines that turn.
I feel like every time you say that, you get really close to the mic.
I do. I'm sorry.
Yeah. No, I'm just
Alright.
finding it amusing.
Oh. Alright. Get ready for the blue star lines. After this, 2 blue star lines. Dodge the 2 blue star lines. You're gonna dodge this first one, and then wait. He's gonna jump. Wait for him to jump, and we're gonna dodge the second blue star line, and then we'll go to our spot. All right, get the sides. All right, Tank Buster's next. Tank Buster's gonna be going out. All right, invoked. Alright, get ready for the AoE bombs. AoE bombs are going to spawn, plus 2 red marker AoEs. AoE bombs, plus 2 red marker AoEs. Don't clip the bombs with your red markers. Get ready for the second set of 2 red marker AoEs. Get ready for the line attack. Line attack, second for the line attack. Prize was up. Alright, get to the safe side. Boss will be going back to the center after this. Right. Watch out for the blue cone AoE behind the boss. Stack behind the boss. Blue cone AoE. Blue cone AoE behind the boss. And we're getting to the safe side after that. Get to the safe side. Stay on the safe side because God Ray's gonna be going out, but stay. Wait for the blue AoE to go away. Wait for the blue AoE to go away. Alright, get to the safe spot on God Ray. Alright, get ready to rotate. We're gonna rotate one more time and then get ready for the AoE. Rotate. AoE's next. I don't have reprisal for this.
I'll have it.
Cover door.
Alright, get ready for Tank Buster on Ty. He's at D. Tank Buster's going up.
Okay.
Alright, shook. Alright, get ready for the 4 AoE bombs. 4 AoE bombs, she's been tanking the boss near C. And we're going to be dodging 4 sets of yellow lines on the ground. Alright, dodge the 4 sets of yellow lines on the ground. First set's out. Dodge the second set. Alright. Dodge third. And then stack on 2 and face it toward the AoE bomb. And then get ready to run to that safe spot. Run to the safe spot. You ready for AoE?
Range.
Big AoE's going out. Alright, Tank Buster's gonna be next.
I'm at A. Oh god, as my voice cracks like a 15-year-old boy's.
Vote. Alright. Get ready for yellow lines, 3 sets of yellow lines, and 2 red marker swords. 2 red marker swords. Don't drag it through the center. I mean it. Don't drag it through the center. 2 red marker swords. Dodging the yellow lines on the ground.
Going. Die.
Alright. Nicely done, I think. Yep. Get ready for the 3 curved lines that turn. 3 curved lines that turn. Alright, get ready for the 3 AoE bombs. Get to the safe side.
This is...
Fuck.
Yeah.
It's gonna hurt.
I
Alright.
saw the robot dash in and I'm like, what are you doing,
Get ready for
robot?
the blue cone. Blue cone. Blue cone. Behind the boss. Blue cone behind the boss. Get near the behind the boss. And then we're going to the safe side. Safe side. Safe side. Red markers. Get ready for another set of 2 red markers AoEs. 2 red marker AoEs.
I'm moving far. Out.
Watch out for that blue cone. Alright, get ready for 2 red marker swords. 2 red marker swords. 2 red marker swords. And then get ready for Tank Buster on Ty. 2 red marker swords. Tank Buster's going out. Alright, sure. Alrighty. We're getting there. Alright, get ready for the AoE bombs. Don't hit each other with those 2 red marker AoEs. Get ready for the second set of 2 red marker AoEs. Get ready for the line stack mechanic. Line stack mechanic. Back to the line stack mechanic. Nah, yeah, right that. Yeah, that's good, that's good. Alright. Nicely done. Get to the safe side. Not too close to the bomb. Yeah, that's good. Alright. Watch out for the blue cone AoEs. Blue cone AoEs behind the boss. Blue cone AoEs behind the boss. Alright, get to the safe side, safe side, safe side. Alright, wait for the blue cone. Wait for the blue cone. Yeah, now God Ray, get to the safe spot for God Ray. Rotate, rotate, rotate. Alright, we're gonna be rotating one more time. Alright, rotate, rotate. Get ready for AoE next. AoE next.
Tactician.
Alright, reprisals up. After this, get ready for Tank Buster. Tank Buster's gonna be next. Alright, invoking. We got it this time, guys. We got it. Just focus.
Yep.
Fucking got it. Alright, get ready for AoE bombs. 4 of them. And this is gonna be the rage area. We gotta just fucking kill it. Just fucking burn it.
Just watch for lines and
yeah.
LB.
Yep.
No, don't even need LB. We'll kill it.
Yeah, we'll just kill it.
And GG, guys.
Woo! Yeah.
Yay, proven guilty.
Good job.
Oh man.
Fending and slaying.